Good morning, holiday people. We're talking about month-long observances for the month of November. Okay, we know that there are harvest festivals going on everywhere for the month of November. And we know that November is Thanksgiving. So it's feast time, feast time, feast time everywhere, right? Well, there's no surprise that November has a long list of food observances that are observed for the month of November. So in this video, I'm going to give you that list of all the food holidays, okay? All right. Harvest Festival, harvesting, okay. Bread Month. Yep, November is National Bread Month, and it's also National Raisin Bread Month, okay? It's Banana Pudding Lovers Month. Now, I have a wonderful banana pudding video on YouTube. If you want to scan back through my channel, you can find it, or I will put a link to it at the bottom of this video in the Show Me More section, okay? This is a old video of my mother making the old-timey sweet banana pudding that is cooked, okay? It's not the instant pudding banana pudding. It is the old-timey cooked banana pudding that's very rich and sweet, okay? So if you're interested in seeing what that's all about, check out my Show Me More section, okay? It's Pepper Month. It's Georgia Pecan Month. Boy, we're going to be eating a lot of pecans, right, for November and December. That is one thing. It's pecan on the table, all kind of nuts, walnuts, pecans on the table, right, for November and December. So it's Georgia Pecan Month. It's Good Nutrition Month. Now, nutrition is food related, so I had to stick that in there. I know November and December is a rough time for checking out the nutrition because it's a lot of sweet eating and eating on the bad side. But National Nutrition Month, that's snuck in there to try and remind us to be cautious during November, right? It's Pomegranate Month in the United States, and it's Fun with Fondue Month. Okay, now I don't know too many people that does a lot of fondue eating for the month of November because naturally most of the eating is feast eating where it's on the table, the turkey and the chicken and the ham, and it goes on and on and on, right? So fondue is not really that big, but if you're having knick-knack parties, snack time parties, don't forget about the fondue. Fondue is wonderful. You know, it's the melted cheese and the wine sauce, right? And it's stirred up and it's melted and you dip it in beautiful breads. Let me correct that. You dip beautiful breads in the cheese fondue. But anyway, don't forget about fondue. It's a special little treat. I love it. Speaking of fondue, I think I have some fondue recipes too, guys. I believe I'll look that up, and if I can find those where I've either posted it on my website or my blog, I will put that in the bottom Show More section as well, if I can find that, okay? It's National Peanut Butter Lovers Month. Oh, yeah. We all love peanut butter. If you're in the United States, you love peanut butter. And I definitely have some peanut butter recipes for you. Some great peanut butter cookies that, all kind of peanut butter treats and bars that I have posted on my blog. So I'll put a link to that as well. It might help some of you out to make some good treats for November. Okay. And last but not least, it is National Apple Month. Now, National Apple Month, as far as I know, is still a 3-month window. It's September, October, and November. So this is the last month for celebrating the apple, okay? All right, guys, there you go. There's our list of month-long food observances for the month of November. I hope you treat yourself and your family with some of these great foods that are available this month, and join in on all the harvested foods and enjoy the month of November and enjoy Thanksgiving, guys. Comment at the bottom if you'd like to. Check me out on another day for more holiday information if you want to. Be part of this holiday community if you want to. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.